more economical and sanitary unmanned automatic washing system presented by the unique technical skills of PRAIM can be run by minimum human power. PRAIM Unmanned Automatic Washing System. Unmanned automatic dish washing system is composed of a leftover and dish separator, a preliminary washer, bubble washer, a tray transfer and a tray supplier, a main dishwasher, and a tray dispenser. First, retrieved dishes at the tray return station are transferred to the leftover and dish separator onto the conveyor belt. Trays and dishes are automatically sorted out by the leftover dish separator, and then leftovers are removed initially. Next, high-pressure preliminary washing process is made at the tunnel-type preliminary washer. The bubble washer, utilizing dispersion nozzles developed by the unique technical skills of PRAIM, creates a strong vortex and maximizes cleaning efficacy through dispersive circulation without blind spot. Following the bubble washing, dishes are provided toward the dishwasher automatically. Tray is moved through the tray transfer device, then supply into the dishwasher one by one automatically. The dishwasher is designed for the tray and the dish line to operate separately, which makes it work more efficiently. More powerful and delicate wash is performed by dispersing clean water in high temperature and high pressure with the unique dispersion nozzles and patterns of PRAIM. Residue in a dish is rinsed well with cleaning water in high temperature, so the perfect wash and sanitation are carried out. Then, the high-heat drying and disinfection process are added onto the individual trays and dishes. Specifically, with improved strong drying function of tray line, you will experience the perfect drying and disinfection. After being dried, tray is discharged and arranged by the tray dispenser, and dishes are also discharged automatically. PRAIM Incorporated is the only company in Korea that deals with kitchen design and consulting, washing space consulting, customized washing system, as well as development and production of kitchenware such as dish washing machine, steam convection oven, rice cooker, etc. Technology. Turning imagination into reality. Your imagination comes true with the advanced technology of PRAIM. PRAIM is different. PRAIM.